This is our family engagement pre-K math practice, solve, and play pack. This kit is chock full of all the resources you, your teachers, or parents will need to get kids involved in that hands-on practice that aids in learning recovery after a rough few years. These kits can be amazing used in after-school programs or summer camps. You can use them as extra resources in the classroom, or it's also a great hands-on kit for digital learners to have materials right in front of them at home. But this kit was made by teachers for teachers, and you'll see the difference when you see all the materials, and it helps to build connection. So this is especially great for families to take home and involve their student, and they get to feel like they're part of what's going on in the classroom, and you start to build that classroom community and help the student get the support they need to reach their potential. So this kit comes in a sturdy handle bag for easy carry to school and home and back. You'll keep everything organized in a little space and keep all the materials safe, dry, and together. Now, the cornerstone of this kit is this activity and instruction guide. This is a 24-page guide written equally in both English and Spanish. It starts with a family letter to let the parents know what's happening, a little bit about the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build math skills. And we found that giving the parents some information on what you're doing in the classroom and how they can best support their students and include math and numbers in everyday life, we find that that's the best way to empower them to get involved. So this is a great start to do that. Now, this guide will also walk teachers or parents through how to use each piece of the kit. So here it's showing how to use each of our dry erase mats. This kit will feature 3 double-sided dry erase mats, each with a different theme to help your student with early math. So they'll practice 10 frames, number lines, writing on a grid, number and shape formation, and a lot of early writing, early fine motor, and math skills. Now, in addition to how to use each mat, we will also give extension activities or ways to take it further. How can you use these items in an above and beyond way to get your child excited about math? And this guide will walk you right through that. It will also tell you a little bit about the journal in the kit. This kit comes with a Counting with Bugs journal, which will teach the kids about counting numbers 0 to 9, and also skip counting by 10, which is really fun, all the way to 100. Beyond the journal, the guide will also walk you through our 10 double-sided task cards made with a large size for easy moving around with the kids, and these double-sided bean counters. These are fantastic. They can manipulate, count, sort, and even make patterns. So these cards give them a lot to do with hands-on learning. In addition to the cards, it also comes with a game. Each kit will come with a game for 2 to 4 players, which is perfect for small groups or in a family setting. The best part about games is kids are also learning social emotional lessons. So they're learning how to take turns. They're learning how to follow instructions. They're learning how to actively listen to what others are saying and follow along when it's not their turn. So there's a lot of lessons there, and this game in particular will also teach them about positional words. So language that you learn during math that will help you build a foundation for future math skills. Now, beyond walking you through these components, the guide also offers a 30-day calendar of activities. Now, this is great in a family setting. You can do it in the classroom, but practicing these math skills or counting skills every day is going to help your kids build confidence and fluency, and that translates right into the classroom. We hope you enjoy them.